Stephen, wake up!
Yes, ma'am.
Oh no, there's typhoon coming. I think our city won't get hit.
By the way, Stephen, we can't pick you up later. Just ride the motorcycle on your way home. I'm sure our city won't get affected. Hey Stephen, are you still here? I'll just stay here a little bit longer until the rain stops. Oh, okay. Oh no, how will I get home? Where's Stephen? It's very late.
I don't know. Let's call his teacher.
Mom Bianca, have you seen our son Stephen? The last time I saw Stephen was at the waiting area. Okay, thank you. What's Stephen doing?
I don't know.
Someone's calling.
Who is this?
Oh, is this the parents of Stephen Chan A. Romualdo? Unfortunately, we found his body at the waiting area at school.
They found Stephen's body.
My deepest condolences.
Hey, where?
They found him at the waiting area.
Dad passed away due to the typhoon.
You should have listened to the warnings.
Prepare now, not later. Your safety depends on the choices you make today. Secure your home, stay updated, and take every alert seriously. You and the people you care about deserve to stay safe. Move early. Stay ready. Survive.